Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix HTML5 video file not found error on Chrome. So what you need to do is actually find what kind of error it is. The way you go about this, you load the page and you're getting the error on. You come to the top right, click on these three dots, and then I want you to scroll down until you see more tools, and then hover over this and choose developer options. Okay, and right here you should see network, and if you don't see it recording any network activity, what you do is you just press Ctrl+R, or you can click here on reload page right under network right here, and it will go and reload the page for you and see whatever issues that are happening, what kind of errors you're getting. Is there anything being canceled? You basically just look at the video request, the status code, the response headers, the response body, and whether the request was canceled, like 404, is it 403, is it maybe 206, partial content. See what the issue is, and then you can fix it based on that. And if the video is not playing, you can try it on a new browser tab. You see, does it basically, go ahead and play? Does it download what's actually happening? So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.